Marcus, what are you doing here just like in the birdhouse ident?
Sorry, I wanna see Alvin, who is with his friends Bill and Carl.
Okay, you can head to the back and watch the station ID before we go to the second take. Wait, hold on a second. What is that PBS Kids dot from 2013 to 2014 doing here? She is not supposed to replace the bird in the cuckoo clock. Take 3. Whoa. You made it too weird from earlier in the snowball fight ident. Put this in a normal way and we'll do take 4. Wait. Dash, why are you here instead of Bill?
Sorry, I'm just Bill's replacement because he went to the park to catch some butterflies with Bloom, Flora, Stella, Musa, Techna and Layla aka Aisha.
It's okay, I really like Winx Club where the girls including Roxy and Daphne turned into fairies. When Bill comes back, we'll do take 5. Cut. It's not supposed to be in ping pong mode. Take 6.
You're watching Boomerang from Cartoon Network.
Cut. This is not going to be the boomerang bumper. Take 7.
Ow, my back.
Bill, you're not ready now because you hurt your back. So don't worry, go rest your back and we'll do take 8. Whoa, cut. The Object Terror intro just interrupted this. It's not supposed to do that. Alright guys, I'll give you one more take and if you mess around with the station ID for the last take then you're fired. Yes, we got it right. 3 more station IDs left. Tomorrow we'll do the Rube Goldberg ident with Roy, Simon, and Theodore.